Hey, this is Guap. Welcome back to sort of Is It Worth It? Hey, this is Guap. Welcome back to sort of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we got this cool right here. And basically what this is a USB-C wall charger. And we see for the one that we got right here from this brand. And they mentioned for this one, it does have this technology inside. And they mentioned how it does have GaN technology on here and provide guys 30 watts of power when you have to use it. And for the product, it does have like the overheat protection, overcharge protection, and everything else. So you don't have to worry about that as well when you have to use it. And notice the way how I designed this one is actually very cute. It has this very cute design on here. And I believe the eyes will change when you guys do plug it in or when it's fully charged or something. And for this one, you can see we do have like the purple color. They do have this available in another color, I think gray. Let me double check. So the other one that they do have available is a black one. So if you guys prefer that, you can get that instead. But this is what the product looks like when you guys get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys do open up. So the first thing you can see inside right here, they do say hi and welcome or whatever, which is really cute. But right here, you can see we do have the actual product that's super cute. So it says, hi, I'm Nexode RG, 30 watts. They mentioned charge more with me, faster and together. So once you guys take it out, inside they also provide you guys a user manual to teach you guys how to use it. But right here, you can see we do have the actual product. And the way how it works is that the feet right here, if you guys do pull it out, it becomes a plug. So the two-prong option for you to plug it in. When you guys are not using it, put it back together. And this is what the front part looks like. So it has this very nice cute design on here with the headphones on the side. And the back part, they do have the little ribbon on here. So I believe only the purple one has this ribbon in the back because it is a girl. If you guys do get the black one, I don't think it has the ribbon in the back because that's supposed to be a boy. And they mentioned if your first time using it, you guys remove the film here. That way you can see the face when you guys do use it. In the top part right here, we do have the USB-C option for you guys to use. So that way you can charge other devices when you guys do use it. So this is what the product looks like in the front. Here is the side, here is the back, here is the other side, and back to the front. So one right now is to plug it in to give it a try and see how it does work. So for this test, I'm gonna plug this into here. That way we can check how much power that's being generated when we do use it. So just like that. And the other side right here, we're gonna plug it into this power strip or charging station that we do have. That's also from the UGreen brand. This is literally one of my favorite charging stations from this brand or any brand so far because they do have like 3 USB-C options for its use, 1 USB option on here for its use as well. And they mentioned the total power on here for the front part is 100 watts. So feel free to use it to charge up your laptop if you guys want to. And you do have a button right here for you guys to press to activate it or turn it off, which is really cool as well. But the top part right here, we do have a 2-prong option for its use. And the back part right here, they do have 3-prong option for its use. So there's a total of 3 different AC options for you guys to use. And then we give you guys 3 USB-C option and 1 USB, which is really awesome. And the way how they're able to make it so small and compact is because it does have the GaN technology on here. So that can help you guys fast charge it at a safe speed as well. So if you guys are interested in this one, feel free to check it out. Literally one of my favorite charging stations that I have. And I do want to mention the max power on here is 1875 watts. But let's give it a try and see how it does work when you have to use it. So I do plug it in. Once you guys plug it in, nothing lights up just yet because there's not enough power on here or we're not using the top part yet. So what I'm going to do is to plug in a cable onto something to charge it up. So I think what I'm going to do is use this USB-C cable here and we'll plug it into this power bank that I have from the Anchor brand if you guys are curious. So once you guys plug in that side, this side you can plug it in here. And once you guys plug it in, you can see how it does pop on the face on here to let you guys know that it's charging. So I'm assuming once it's fully charged, the face on here will change to something else. But when you guys do look at how much power it does provide, it's currently providing around 31 watts when you guys do use it, which is a lot of power. And the cool thing about this power bank, when you guys do look at it, it does provide you guys the information on here as well in terms of how much power it does provide, how much percentage on here, and how long it takes to recharge it. So if you guys are interested in this one, feel free to check it out. This is from the Anchor brand, which is the 12,000 mAh, 1400 watts of power that allow you guys to charge 2 USB-C options at the same time. So feel free to charge like 2 MacBook Air at the same time if you guys want to. That also has like the wire charging option at the bottom, which is really awesome. But you see when you guys use the product, it definitely does work and it's actually very cute in terms of what you guys see here when you guys do use it. But it definitely probably has a lot of power when you guys do use it, if you see. So you can see right here, they also show you guys how to know when it's charging and how to know when it's done. This means done and this means charging. So pretty much once you lose the mouth on here, then that is how you know when it's fully charged. Similar to what you guys see here. So once you guys are done using it, feel free to put it back together like this. It is all set. The other thing that I do want to mention about the product is the fact that for the bottom part right here, it is magnetic. So if you guys do put it anywhere that's magnetic, it should work. So for example, if I show you guys the power bank earlier, if you guys just stick it on, you can see how it does work. But because right here for the bottom part is not really magnetic compared to like the fridge or whatever, let me actually bring this over to the fridge and stick it on there to show you guys what it looks like. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. All right, so right here I do have the product and here we do have a fridge. If you guys stick it on, if you see how it does stick on, But the magnet on here is not like super strong when you guys do use it. But if you guys do stick it there, it does work pretty well. So I guess depending on where you guys do stick it, some part may be stronger than other. Just like that. Where right here, maybe when it's curved, it won't stay as well. You can see how it kind of slides down. But the product definitely does work when you guys do use it to stick it under the fridge or anywhere that's magnetic, which is really awesome. Welcome back, guys. So next we're going to test the product, and definitely actually does work and should work quite well. You can see how cool the product is that allow you guys to stick it under the fridge if you guys want to, or anywhere that's magnetic. That way not only does it look cute, but it's also very cool in terms of what you guys do get, how it's magnetic to stick it under the fridge or anywhere else. And also give you guys a fast charging speed of 30 watts when you have to use it. And also for the product, it does have the GaN technology, so that we can fast charge the device, whether it be like your MacBook Air or even your iPhone. And I feel like the way how to design this product is designed for anyone who has like Samsung device or even Android device, and maybe even iPhone users in the future in a couple of weeks when they do release the news about the new iPhone. If they do have the USB-C option on there, this is designed for you guys as well, which is really awesome. But that is pretty much everything that's on the product. Now that we show you guys what the product looks like and how it does work, now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. If you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are on the market looking for a high quality USB-C wall charger that give you guys the option in terms of magnetic feet to stick it anywhere you want, and also have the GaN technology and so much more, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, that obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.